This will be a walkthrough of using the basics of ArcGIS Story Maps. There's a lot more information available. There's a set of tutorial websites which I would recommend for anyone interested. Some of these look quite interesting. I'll look at myself. I haven't looked at all of them yet. Okay, using the basics. I've logged into ArcGIS Story Maps, so log in using your account. I'm going to go to New Story, and I'm going to start from scratch. Okay, so it launches Story Builder. Okay, so I'm going to give this title a little spell known footpath. A little known footpath and a subtitle. Right, okay, so I've got a title and a subtitle. A number of options here. I'm going to go straight down to the most basic one, which is Map Tour. Click on that, and I'm going to upload some photographs. Now this will take a little while, so I will just start it and I'll pause the video while that works. So there's about 15 photos there at various places. You can select and reorder them, which we can also do a little bit later on, so we'll do that a little bit later on. There's a couple that are clearly out of order here. These two here are clearly out of order. We'll have a look at them in a bit. So we click on Create Tour, and it will start creating the map tour. So I'll just pause for a few minutes. Right, so that took a couple of minutes. There's two options here, Guided and Explorer. I'm going to do Guided for now. I might do another one in the Explorer version a bit later on. We just click on Next. Ones we looked at before, we looked at media focus, where the photographs were the biggest element, photographs of videos. In this case, I'm going to do map focused. Click on Done, and it immediately opens up our map. As usual, numbers of map options we can have. I'm going to change it from the sort of straightforward map into a satellite one, which does help, makes it look quite a lot bit busier. Click on Done. Right, now there's a couple of issues here. So this is showing a walk from Middlesbrough near the Riverside Stadium, for a very obscure footpath, to Redcar, and it's got Redcar, one photo in Redcar at number 1, which is clearly wrong. So I'm going to grab hold of that. I'm going to drag it all the way. It's 16 photographs, so it'll take a little while. Let's make sure I've got it all the way. Not quite all the way. Right, so, and again, number 1 here. There's a strange structure near Redcar Beach, which we'll continue to drag. Where's it gone? There it is. And we'll set it as the last image. Right, okay, so going back to the first image. It's the first image. There's no things we can do with the image. We can make it. At the moment, it's cropped, so we're going to make it fit Do Not Crop. And I'll pause a moment while I add a title. Okay, so I've added a description of that one. And obviously you can do this for all of the others. I'll probably go through and do this offline. That's basically all there is to it. Okay, we can click on Preview. I'll come back a little bit later on after I've added everything, so I'll pause again. Right, okay, so I've added all the various things I want to do. We can preview this. Clicking on Preview, as you might expect. And there's a number of ways you can look at it. At the moment it's set for full screen, desktop, full. I'm not quite sure what the difference is there. Preview on tablet, what it would look like in a tablet, or what it would look like in a phone. So one of the points about this is it's very transferable between different types of device. We'll go back to where we were. Then we can scroll through it, and as you scroll through it, it will eventually move to the next image and make that the highlight all the way. Or you can simply scroll all the way down and go to the last one. Yes, if you click on any image, it'll open up the image, and there we go all the way. So we'll go back. Right, so next thing you'd want to do is publish it. everyone public. Instead it's private. It gives you a URL which you can share with people. I'm just going to click on everyone public. Checks the story for issues, publishes story, and I'll publish my story, and it's nice work apparently. Right, so in here you can get various pieces of information. Let's go back to where we were. Let's go back to the story map page. Actually, I didn't need to do that. What I want to do is go up here, click on share, copy linking, copy to various social media places as well. I'm going to copy link, and just copy the URL to your clipboard. So if I paste in here, and there it is, it should find it. But it'll find it as well. I'm logged in, so but obviously if you're not logged in as the account holder, it'll just open it up as a map. Right, okay, so again we will go back to where we were before. Right, so let's save that. Okay, that's all I want to say about this basic introduction. I'll probably come back with some more stuff later. Thanks for listening.